here to unbox our first official Aussie EzySpray. So we have our bag of goodies here, our plunger, the sprayer, and also the wand. So within this bag here, you're gonna find your instructions on how to put it together, some frequently asked questions. This is both in English and Spanish. And then we get all of our pieces out here. So we have the handle, we have the quick connect, the hose, and the sprayer head. So how I do this, I normally take the handle here and the wand and put that together first. You're gonna wanna unscrew this off of the handle itself and just slip this side of the wand through, stick it in there kind of tight, and then screw this back on. Easy enough. Gonna take the head, do the same thing here and screw this on. So your wand is now assembled. The next thing you're gonna wanna do is take your curlicue hose and tighten this onto the sprayer. Making sure it's on there nice and tight. Okay. Then you're gonna attach your wand to the hose. Also making sure this is on there nice and tight. You're gonna install your plunger. And so basically what you're gonna do here is you're just gonna push down. You're gonna see this locking piece. You're gonna push down and just pull up on it a little bit, and it's on there tight. Okay, so now we're ready to fill the sprayer up. So we're going to go ahead and take our quick connect and connect it to the end of the hose that's attached to your house. Okay, so there we go. We're gonna go over here and turn the water on. Now, what you're gonna wanna do here is you're gonna pour your concentrate right into here. Okay, so this is a 1.3 gallon. You're gonna pour your concentrate in. You're gonna push your top on. Make sure you pull up on it so it's secured. Then you're gonna use your quick connect and hook this directly up, and your sprayer is gonna automatically fill. So you can use the little gauge on the side here to see how it's filling. So once your sprayer is full, you're just gonna pull back on your quick connect and unhook. And you're ready to go out spraying.